There's someone I know, there's part 3. I know that they got married early. Is the wife. For years, all she did was looking after kids. The husband was the one buying house, taking care of all the bills, buying cars, and all that. A time came that the husband lost his position, and the wife God strengthened her hands to take care of the home financially. So sometimes it's 10 by 10. I've seen it happen that the husband will be the one doing everything. And because of his pride, claiming that I'm the one who's doing this, I'm the one who's doing that. Hey, you are lazy, you are depending on me. Look at other women, what they are doing. Stop that nonsense. If you are doing it as a husband, stop it. And if you are also doing it as a wife, stop it. It's not of God. So now, he lost his position. It's the wife that is doing everything. Everything is buying, is building, is what. If she wants to buy cash, she'll buy cash. So, should she now be saying, yeah, I used to say this, let me also do this? No. Just because you are strong now, don't think that you'll be strong forever. Because of your pride, God will allow you to crumble, to humble you. So the one you thought is weak can show forth their strength. And she's doing more compared to what the husband has been doing all those years. I'm talking about 20 years, 15 years. Now she's the one holding for years. Now she's holding the home for like 3, 4, 5 years. So what do we say? Just because you are up there, don't think you'll never go down there. And the one that is down there, don't think that they cannot reach you up there. They are capable. God just don't allow them to do it now. So don't see each other as somebody who doesn't want to do anything in life. There's a reason for that thing to happen. Stay blessed.